on the robots. Don't let robots steal your lunch. Don't let robots steal your lunch. Let's welcome Navi.
Imagine this. You are ready to start your day and you are at your work. But wait, where is Steve, your coworker? Instead of him, there is a tiny little object called as robot, which is already finishing half of the day's work of Steve. Poor Steve. He might be stuck in traffic, honking his horn. But interestingly, this robot, buddy, doesn't even need a coffee break, doesn't even need a bathroom break, and doesn't even get tired. So you might be wondering, is this robot here to take away Steve's job or even mine? Folks, this isn't a movie. This is the reality that is happening right now. It is artificial intelligence which is changing jobs everywhere. Whether you steal, whether you count money, whether you heal someone, or whether you write some essays, artificial intelligence is being implemented everywhere. But what is this artificial intelligence? Let's say you buy a talking parrot and teach it yourself about your speech, about your vocabulary, to emulate yourself. In the same way, if you train a computer to do your tasks and become more productive, so it is called as artificial intelligence, put in simple words. For an example, let's say you call a company to raise a concern about a product that you have recently purchased. You immediately are redirected to a robot's voice, and it is always polite, even when you're yelling, "I want to talk to a real person!" But that robot even doesn't lose its cool when you're trying to make a good argument. Even in some places, the robots at factories are building things much faster, and in hospitals, the robots are helping doctors perform operations and surgeries. Do you think this is enough? No. There is a new kid in the block called as Generative AI. With the recent advancements in the artificial intelligence, there is a company named as OpenAI, which is launching its large language model products, one of the product called as ChatGPT, which can do things which even didn't dream of. It can write essays, it can write your homework, it can create images, it can even create videos. There is an AI which can create logos much faster than a human can turn on his computer. And with visionary peoples like Elon Musk around us, in the future, there might be robo-taxis and cyber cabs which will pick you up from your home, which doesn't even have a steering wheel, and it can take places wherever you want with self-driving technology. At this point, who are all the people who is a bit worried about the future and feeling excited about the same time? Please raise your hands. Join the club. Here's to do. AI can do things much faster than you can do and be more productive than you can be. And it doesn't need vacation like Steve do. But there are a lot of things that AI cannot do also. Like, it cannot create your own thoughts and open ideas like humans do. It cannot understand the feelings. It cannot make real friendships. Instead of thinking AI and robot as your enemy, just learn and understand how to work with them and make your life better. Don't worry. You don't need to become a computer genius overnight. All you need to do is try to understand and learn these new AI tools, which can make your life much better. Also, there is a quote circulating in the internet that AI doesn't replace your job, but the person who knows how to use AI might replace your job if you are lazy. So what I say is, stay curious and start learning about these new AI tools and make your life more productive and work efficiently. For a minute, oh, Steve has just texted me. He came out of the traffic and he just wants to know if his desk is still there. Thank you.